Well, I was kind of bummed.
Oh, yeah. What you guys are going to bring now?
We're going to bring it back. I think we're going to do a two-step back here.
Awesome. Nice.
Well, I was kind of bummed. How far back?
Yeah, that's Big Ben and I'm Big Ben, just Ben.
That's a cool shot.
Yeah, my name is Johnny Jimenez. I'm one of the guys helping organize the Barndoor gathering, the OCTO Barndoor Roundup.
You are still Barndoor Mafia.
Yeah,
right?
from the Barndoor Mafia fame. This is a promotional shoot that we're doing for the event. Ed Hughes is also involved, and so is Matt Devine. So this is we're just taking pictures for the videos and all the promotional stuff that we're going to be doing. The last one, the second one that we had back in 2012, there was 57, and that was the biggest turnout for spectatorship for that one. So we're expecting the spectatorship to be just as big or equally, and more buses to show up, and hopefully more, more Barndoors. I mean, just by looking at this, these guys that are dedicated to it, so there's going to be more people that are going to show up. And I've been blasting it out in the internet, social media, so it'll entice people to get their projects coming out. And Ed, come here, say something. Ed's one of the other guys that's helping out promote this and get this.
Hi, Ed.
This is actually the third one. We had one in 2000.
I think we had one in 2000.
Yeah.
We had
2012, and then this.
Yeah, so we're hoping this is the biggest one, and we're looking to have some cars that
Yeah.
we've seen before out there, and some projects, as Johnny said, get some people motivated to bring some projects. But I think there's going to be a lot of new early buses that people haven't seen before. And
Yeah, there's a few that I know of. There's at least 3 that I know that haven't surfaced yet, so that's kind of a surprise. And there's other stuff too. There's a few other ones that I can't think of the top of my head that they're projects that are gonna show up, they're surface. And we've even been telling people that if you have a project that's not completed, trailer it out, bring it, just show it, because there are gonna be some that aren't completed. Like I said, if we can get as many that can congregate at one spot, I think it'll be awesome.
Yeah, let's hit the 3-digit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that'd be crazy. I don't know. That's going to be hard, but
Because I know
that would be.
2000 there was 31 or 32, I believe, and then I know 2012 there was 57. So hopefully we surpass that. So
I think we'll break that number. But, breaking 100 would be.
yeah,
That would be tough, but
that'd be cool.
that's a target for sure.
So now what we've been talking, Matt, Ed, myself, and Eric, is how we're gonna go about parking them, or how we're gonna display them. So that's still in the works. We don't know yet exactly. We have a few options.
We're gonna have some trophies for different categories. OCTO doesn't normally do trophies, but we're gonna have some special.
Oh wow,
awards
yeah,
for,
that's great.
For Barndoors. Some we've talked about. The farthest traveled, the oldest bus that's never been there before. So we're trying to mix it up so that that other people have incentive to come out to possibly win some awards for coming out, and not just give awards to the same
guys,
guys
yeah.
that come out.
That's awesome.
I mean, we just can't wait. It's 2 months away, and it's just till that day comes. We're all gonna be beyond stoked. Just have them all congregate again. Be fun, and meet new people. Old friends or people we haven't seen in a while, and they're coming from all over the place. I know from Northern California they're gonna meet up with a group from Canada.
Oh wow.
that are
Okay,
coming down.
that's nice.
So there's a few of them coming from Canada, and then they'll meet up somewhere in Washington with some other guys. Then they'll trek down to the Northern California area, and they're going to meet with Patrick Hall, the bus farmers, Dean, Todd, those guys, and they just meet down, somewhere else in Central California with some other guys. Then they head down to Southern California, and then we'll all be here.
So when's the show?
It's Saturday, June 3rd.
Saturday,
So
June
it's,
3rd.
a couple months away,
Okay,
early in the morning.
okay, all right. So you have to pre-register to be...
There's no pre-register.
Okay,
You just show up. You bring your
just
bus.
show up.
Well, actually, I want to register only to get a count.
Oh, you want to get
Official
that?
counts, we know how many coming.
Yeah.
Okay.
We had 58 last time. The goal is to beat that number.
Okay.
So how are they gonna, how does somebody pre-register? How do we do
They're
that?
just going to send me a message. I'll get it all laid out here in the post here in the next couple days.
Because I have a chart that already works.
So just go to the OCTO Facebook page or OCTO website.
They'll see it when it posts, yes.
Okay, all right.
Instagram or Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah, all those that participate and bring their Barndoor are going to get a participation package, which will include all the OCTO swag, as well as hopefully we get a Brekina.
Oh.
We'll see if we get one from Germany if they can get it to us in time, as well as a participant plaque.
Yeah, we're working on that. So that's a lot of surprises and goodies that'll surface for all the Barndoor owners. Yeah, more to come.
All right. Okay. All right. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I can't wait to see the show. It's gonna be
It'll be a
fun.
lot of fun.
This is, I'm really excited about this one. I overheard Johnny saying that too. We're excited about this one.
Yeah, we're all stoked.
This is just a teaser right here.
Yeah, yeah.
All
This
right.
is
Just a teaser.
Yeah. These guys, all the guys that are here present are guys that been around for a long time. They've been in the game for who knows how long, and we're all good friends and we're hardcore enthusiasts, and we just all want to congregate everybody, entice people with projects, cars that they haven't driven in a while, and bring them all out, and we could all hang out and talk. New friends, old friends, you know.
Hopefully the 53 will be here.
You know.
I saw it last weekend.
You've been doing this for
I want to talk to you about it.
And in whatever condition it's in, it's got to make it. So. And if I got to bring it back, I'll bring it back.
Well, we appreciate it, Chin.
All right, awesome.
Appreciate all
Thanks so
your
much.
help.
All right, thank you.